I seek refuge from the devil in the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. I am Nikhat Nas from Multan Public School and College, Multan. I am your geography teacher. Dear students, today we are going to learn a lesson from our geography book. This is chapter number 3, the Northern Mountains. You can see here 3 pictures of 3 different mountain ranges. The first one is the Himalayas. The second one is the Karakoram mountain. The third one is the Hindu Kush. Dear students, now we would take an overview of the chapter. First of all, we would see what are the famous peaks. Second, Khunjra Pass. Third one, life in the mountains. Fourth one, the temperature of these areas. And the last one is the industries of northern areas. Dear students, now we would see the famous peaks. The first one is the Himalayas. The second one is Karakorams. And the third one is the Hindu Kush. Dear students, now we would see all these areas in detail. The first one is Himalaya. First of all, we must know the meaning of Himalaya. Himalaya means home of snow. So, it means that there are so much snow and all the Himalayas are always capped with snow. It is in Asia and it stretches from India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Afghanistan and Pakistan. If we talk about its length, it is 2,500 km from east to west. Its average altitude is 4,600 meters high, and Nanga Parbat is also one of the highest peaks of Pakistan. Dear students, now you can see the picture of these beautiful Himalayas, and you can also see that how beautifully they are looking when they are totally covered with snow. Dear students, now we are going to learn about the second range, that is called the Karakoram range. It is the range in the extreme north of Pakistan. The mountains rise to an average height of 6,000 meters. There are glaciers in these mountains. To get from one place to another, people have to go through some of the highest passes in the world. The Karakoram Pass is a height of 5,575 meters. The second highest pass is the Khunjra Pass at the height of 4,693 meters. The Karakoram Highway is known as the 8th wonder of the world. Dear students, see the Karakoram range. You can see this beautiful mountain range. See the black and gravel mass of ice and rock. It started from Hunza to Shylock River. There are more than 60 peaks, and K2 is also located in this range. Dear students, now we are talking about the third most beautiful, the Hindu Kush range. In the west, the mountain turns southwards. These are the Hindu Kush mountains. They form the north and northern borders of Pakistan. It has fast flowing rivers and its height is about 5,000 meters. They are also mostly covered with snow. Dear students, you can see the third mountain range, the Hindu Kush. It is so beautiful and totally covered with snow. The most important thing about this is that the highest point in Hindu Kush mountain is Tirth Mir and Noshak. Dear students, now we would talk about Khunjerab Pass. Khunjerab Pass is a high mountain pass in the Karakoram Mountains. It is on the northern border of Pakistan and on the southwest border of Pakistan. And if we talk about its altitude, it is about 4,700 above the sea level. It carries a considerable amount of road from Gilgit to China. Dear students, see the beautiful picture of Khunjerab Pass and also see the beautiful mountains covered with snow. The most practical pass through the mountains. Though 4,700 meters above the sea level, it carries a considerable amount of road traffic from Gilgit to China. If we talk about the life in the mountains, relatively few people live in this region, partly because it is difficult to reach, but mainly because the climate is so harsh. In some small settlements tucked away in sheltered valleys, the villagers grow barley, which is the only cereal that can survive at such cold, high altitudes. The villagers also grow a few fruits such as apricots, which are an important part of their diet. Apricots are traded with people in the south. If we talk about livestock, the villagers rear hardy goats and sheep, which are able to withstand the severe climate. By overgrazing and eating seedling trees, these wandering herds are partly responsible for the erosion of mountain slopes. Dear students, if we talk about the temperature, look these pictures. One picture is taken in the months of summer and the other picture is taken in the months of winter. The temperature in this region can reach 20 degrees Celsius or more in July. In winter, however, it becomes very cold. Remote settlements are often cut off for months because of heavy snowfall. Dear students, if we talk about industry, although it is thought that there may be some minerals in this region, including the rare antimony which is found north of Chitral, it is difficult to set up a mining center high in the mountains. It may also be possible to develop hydroelectric power stations using the fast-flowing mountain rivers. There are plants already operating in Chitral, Malakand and Daragai. Dear students, in this chapter we have learned about the famous peaks, the Khunjerab Pass and life in the mountains, the temperature of this region and the industry of this area. Now it's your turn to think and do some exercises. Dear students, you will have to do these exercises. First of all, in question number 1, you will write the names of the most famous mountain ranges in the world. Also write some features of these mountain ranges. Question number 2, what do you know about Khunjerab Pass? Question number 3, what do you know about the life of the people living in the mountains? Question number 4, what are the climatic conditions of northern areas? Question number 5, how do the great mountain ranges in the north affect the climate of Pakistan? Moreover, I have some worksheets that I would broadcast you. Dear students, we have an overview of the beautiful Pakistan. No doubt, it is a most beautiful gift awarded by Almighty Allah. Love your country unconditionally. Dear students, I hope you all have understand all the points. If you have any difficulty, we would discuss that in the meet class. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.